Hello, welcome back, welcome home, welcome to Pontardawe Arts Centre. Things you'll need to know when you come to the venue. Before you come along, please make sure that you booked in advance, either online or with the box office over the phone. When you arrive, there is a small possibility you may have to queue, but don't worry, we will get you to your seats as safely and quickly as possible. Please remember to wear a mask upon entering unless you're exempt. We have marked the whole venue out in 2-metre spaces to help you feel safe. On arrival, you will meet a member of staff who will be smiling under their mask. We will then collect the required track, trace and protect information. Next stop, bar stop. Enjoy some refreshments and snacks from our bar to take into the theatre. We're sorry that draft is currently unavailable due to ongoing restrictions, but we have a fantastic selection of canned and bottled drinks too. All income on the bar helps support the venue. Please be mindful that our bar is only open before the start of the performance. Present your e-ticket from your phone or give your booking name. Our facilities can be used at any time, but doing so before the event starts means you won't miss anything or interrupt anyone else. Once directed to your seat, you're welcome to take your mask off if you wish. Feel welcome to ask a member of staff if you need help finding your seat. Then sit back, relax and enjoy. At the end of the film, please leave via the designated exits. These will be pointed out to you by our staff. We are so happy to invite you back to the venue. Pontardawe Arts Centre has missed you.